Kitkupar Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Wcopa University, Meghalaya.
Samla Kitkupar Nongsiej ula jampat menta siya ka semifinal hakarinsan Wcopa World Championship of Performing Arts 2026. Kabadang yay menta siya kamad hakanongba Las Vegas, Nevada, USA. Uni Samla ubala mi kamad yakari India ula job yaka preliminary round hadin bola ban lebha ban menta unha ban yakun persya yakin nongroa ki batibet na ki waypat kiri. Samla Kitkupar ubadai nakasinong Kinshi Eastern West Khasi Hills District. Ula poi siya kanega rensa ni Wcopa din bola job ya ka nam ladu ha ka surken ot season 3 bala pelong da ka Don Bosco Media Network bat longru uladu ha ka surken ot niam season 2.
Make some noise for India! Holding it down for their country.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.